It's never too late. That's where they got you. Every day is the same thing, man, until you're where you're at. You don't stop. Never too late.
Fuck your pipe dreams and paperwork. My rhyme schemes will lay you murk. Fire breathing flames get burnt. Bars bleeding, pain and hurt. Thoughts, demons, dames and dirt. Watch me as they observe. Behind the dreams footage like a mob scene. Scorsese burp. Spark diesel haze and perp. Spitting and pushing. Sacrifices I've made, risks that I've tooken. Final option, strong arm 'em. If that don't work, then I can tell whatever mirror I looking. Look it, I go through the bullshit on a regular basis. Rages, point in my paws that just make my music even deadlier. Basics, pages, document wars, right from the door, split full clips and I slayed them. Hit everything moving till everything moving, hit the pavement. Heads get tortured in basements. Just thinking that it's all entertainment. Get stuffed in hefty bags. Clip his ass, drop him to the bottom like chum that's fed to crabs. Pellegrino, Vinny Pass. Know you haters is really mad, cause too effing bad.
Yeah.
Don't you ever look at me funny. If I get knocked, first thing Vinny do is snuffing his bunkie. Destruction is nothing, dump a fucking slug in his tummy. My father told me you could learn a lot from a dummy. It's hot and it's sunny, that's the fucking opposite from me. The brain particles is everywhere, they consciousness ugly. My father above me, I swear on fucking God that's above me. That I will torture y'all and slaughter y'all to talk to me funny. I'm awkward with money, especially if you hoarding it from me. Here's a dead rapper, father take this offering from me. You awful and clumsy, couldn't learn the sorcery from me. Couldn't take the Necronomicon glossary from me. Out my face, I ain't even trying to talk to you, money. I ain't trying to break bread or to walk with you, money. I'm a carnivore, I ain't never stop being hungry. I'm the art of war, you ain't never stopping me, Dunny. Yeah.